a broadcast about National Space Day, written and presented by academician Dr. Deepthi Sidhaye. As directed by the United Nations in 2021, last month on 20th of July, we celebrated International Moon Day to commemorate the fact that on 20th July in 1969, for the first time in history, a human being set foot on the surface of the moon. Now, this month, the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, is gearing up to celebrate the country's first National Space Day. It will be celebrated on August 23. Now, one might wonder, why has the date 23rd August been chosen as National Space Day? Well, let's travel back a little in time. The year was 2023. 15 years had passed since Chandrayaan-1, the country's first moon mission in 2008, had discovered the presence of water molecules on the parched lunar surface and had established that the moon has an atmosphere during daytime. 4 years had passed since the launch of Chandrayaan-2. In that lunar exploration program, the Vikram lander had attempted a lunar landing, but the lander had crashed due to a software error. But instead of getting disheartened and aborting the lunar exploration program, ISRO had successfully launched the follow-on mission Chandrayaan-3 on 14th of July 2023 from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota in India. It was launched atop the Medium Lift Launch Vehicle Mark III LVM-3 rocket. The three main objectives of Chandrayaan-3 were: 1. To land safely on the moon surface, 2. To demonstrate rover operations, and 3. To perform scientific experiments. It was 23rd August 2023. The day for fulfillment of these objectives had arrived. The whole world was glued to television or computer screens in anticipation. The countdown had begun. The lander, which was called Vikram after ISRO founder Vikram Sarabhai, had begun its precarious descent, carrying within its belly the 26 kg rover named Pragyan, meaning wisdom in Sanskrit. Now, the lander's speed was gradually reduced from 1.68 km per second to almost zero, enabling it to make a soft landing on the lunar surface. At around 6 p.m. IST, that is Indian Standard Time, the Vikram lander from Chandrayaan-3 successfully touched down as planned. India had made history as its moon mission became the first to land in the lunar South Pole region. With this, India had joined an elite club of countries to achieve a soft landing on the moon. Celebrations broke out all across the country. India was literally on the moon, and that too at a location where no other country was able to reach so far. After this historical feat, it was officially declared that every year 23rd of August will be celebrated as National Space Day in order to honor the success of the historical Chandrayaan-3 mission, which achieved a safe and soft landing of the Vikram lander at the Shivashakti point and deployed the Pragyan rover on the lunar surface on August 23, 2023. Such is the significance of Mission Chandrayaan that the world has applauded it. It has been awarded World Space Award by International Astronautical Federation. While awarding it, the Federation said, Chandrayaan 3 mission by ISRO exemplifies the synergy of scientific curiosity and cost-effective engineering, symbolizing India's commitment to excellence and the vast potential that space exploration offers to humanity. Rapidly unveiling previously undiscovered facets of the moon's composition and geology, the mission stands as a global testament to innovation. How true are these words? Now, after getting to know the purpose of celebration of the National Space Day, let us get to know how the first ever National Space Day will be celebrated. The theme for this year's celebration is Touching Lives While Touching the Moon, India's Space Saga. This theme emphasizes the profound impact of space exploration on society and technology. A month-long campaign has been launched to highlight the remarkable achievements of India's space missions and to inspire the nation's youth. Various stakeholders have organized pan-India events to celebrate and engage the public. These events involve interactive exhibitions, quizzes, model-making competitions, moderated panel discussions with the panelists representing ministries, industry leaders, startups, and academic institutions to discuss various aspects of space exploration, especially with respect to its societal impact, the progress of private space activities, and related policy implementations. Companies such as the commercial arm of ISRO called New Space India Limited (NSIL), institutions such as Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology (IIST), SP Pune University from Pune are involved in conducting such programs in collaboration with ISRO. In an official program, comprehensive overview of the Indian space program would be taken. Significant announcements related to India's space achievements will be made. Models for new projects including Chandrayaan 4 and others will be unveiled. Truly, the National Space Day will help everyone recognize the significant achievements in space exploration and highlight advancements in space technology. This will, in turn, generate interest among students and enhance public awareness regarding the importance and benefits of space exploration in space science and technology and the need for continued support and progress in this essential field. So, celebration of National Space Day on 23rd of August every year is going to be a source of inspiration for the future generations. Thank you. You were listening to a broadcast about National Space Day, written and presented by academician Dr. Deepthi Sidhaye.